Hi, I'm Chris, the Fireplace Whisperer, and we are here in the Columbia Gorge in a town called Hood River, and we are installing a Valor fireplace. It's the H5 model in the family room of this 100-year-old house that's being remodeled. It came undone. It came undone again. Sometimes you gotta do it more than twice. Something you don't hear every day. I'm gonna go hug my fireplace. Okay, so for the portrait Valor, okay, so third. All right, it's time to clean up our mess. So this one is now ready for fire off, which will probably happen maybe a month or two from now. Once all the rock is done, the mantle is done, television's going up above it, we'll come back and you'll see this thing run.